Baguio.
Gusto niya, pagkakain.
Ang mga bata rito.
Kasi na lang inagawa
yung kapatid niya.
Upo ka na lang, manood ka na lang ng TV.
Bagong bago yun ah.
Pumirit ka pa. Eto. Ay, marami akong report. Mamaya talaga excited ako.
Yung ano sa mga kasalita? Magawak mo yun yun?
Yan. Makikinig ka mamaya.
Alam yata mo yun, paano yung mga
Kita.
Medicine lang. Doktor ka ba? Oo.
Ayun, doktor.
Yeah.
Saan?
Media ako. Pero nag-start. Ay, sorry. Ay. Kuha kami tanan ko? Ano, wala pa silang mag-appeal din na. Ano ito? Hindi yung para rin. Yan ang babae sa nagpapasit pa kami. Please, isa pa may kandila.
Padayon. Padayon.
Kinahanglan makadugo ko sa mobile phone kay ang sikuan. Sinalibili mo. Kaya naman si ano. Kinsa may niya? Zita?
Oo. So, ingon si they're both close.
National Books. A lot of internet cafes dito.
Spencer College, we all honor in our hearts without a fear. Silliman, our alma mater, Silliman beside the sea. Loyal will we be to Silliman. Here's a cheer for 3 times 3. Silliman, our alma mater, Silliman beside the sea.
It's a brainstorming. Brainstorming after we go to the retreat.
Bonding.
Okay. After retreat is very good.
Yeah, that's, we all need that. We all need that too.
You want that? The bonding?
Yeah.
Okay, so
We can
All in one.
schedule it.
can we schedule it now? The bonding? So we will, because
Somebody.
we need the day.
No, we have
Because
to,
there's something to
yeah, but we
have.
have to make the availability of the place as
Yeah,
well.
but we just only have the day. My phone number, tell me the time that you are at home, and then I'll schedule that. I'll let Pop pick up the things. But please help us also in the market. But if the
Tama tayo just price.
we will have fun, and then if you want,
Ano? Adios!
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you. Thank you, Ferdinand. We wish you luck. Kasi napipilit, picture na lang muna ako. Wala ka mo. She is wonderful and really for you. I can just say, nagawa ko sa Sinulog, ang mayor sa sabihin nyo, 2 minutes so we did Cebu dances. Okay, everybody will have a dance class.
Yeah.